Hi guys! If you're curious to know what is this, then follow this video. So, this is Puderzucker in German language. I think in English it would be sugar powder. And I'm going to spread it over my cake. So, and this cake I'm going to bake in this video. So stay connected. Hi guys, today I'm going to bake for you, and we need 250 gram butter, 200 gram sugar, 4 or 5 eggs, 250 gram flour, nuts, mandeln or nuts. You can take also both, and of course a bit milk. So let's start. So at the beginning I advise you to make little pieces from the butter. They must not be very little, just while you should mix all the ingredients together, and the butter you should mix also, but the butter is a bit hard, so maybe that's why it's better to make little pieces. You see, I did it, and now I want to talk to the people who want to learn more German today. So, meine liebe Leute, erstmal Hallo. Heute backen wir einen Kuchen, einen Nusskuchen. Dafür brauchen wir 200 Gramm Butter, das ich schon zerdrückt habe. 200 Gramm Zucker, sugar, butter and butter, they are the same, so they are not so different from, it's not different, different words. 250 Gramm Mehl, 4-5 Eier. Dann braucht ihr ein bisschen Milch. Im Rezept steht 0,125, ja, 0,125, genau. Und ein bisschen Salz braucht ihr auch, natürlich auch Backpulver. Und Haselnuss und Mandeln nehme ich, weil es ist eigentlich, könnt ihr nur Haselnuss nehmen, aber da ich hatte Mandeln auch geöffnet, da nehme ich alle beide. Haselnüsse oder die Nüsse müssen 250 Gramm sein. Okay, jetzt wir müssen Zucker, Butter, Eier und die Prise Salz schaumig rühren. Also ich habe, wie gesagt, die Butter schon zerdrückt, damit beim Rühren das einfacher rührt, oder ihr könnt auch ein bisschen schmelzen lassen. Now we begin to mix all ingredients together. Sugar, butter, eggs and a bit salt. You must mix together. So, dears, I forgot you to tell one thing. I think backpulver, baking powder, I have forgotten. First of all, please mix with flour, and then add to other ingredients. So now I want to show you that I have already eggs and butter in this. So in German language we name it, the name of it is Schüssel. I mean this Schüssel. And now I'm going to add also sugar. And you should also add some salt, which I have already done. So I mix it and we see us. So it must look like this. And now I'm going to add the flour, which I mix with baking powder. You know, you just do it off. You do it over and mix it like this. And now I'm going to mix also the nuts with the mandel nuts. So nuts in German language Haselnuss, and mandel just mandel. And I just mix them together because I just want that they would be not one part mandel and one part nuts. Okay. Yes, I would like to show also something. My baking form is Kuchenform in German language. Looks like this, but you can take which one you like or which one you have. That's not important. I take this because tomorrow we have guests and I like my cake look like more beautiful. And now I'm trying to oil it, like, because I take a bit butter, and it's very important that's your cake not stuck on baking form. So now I put a bit powder. You shouldn't put it at once. You know, I think I confused this word in English language. Flour or powder, I don't know. This Mehl in German language, it's Mehl. I don't remember the right word now. So you have to put a bit from Mehl and just mix it together every now and then, and not at once. Now it's very important. Please take care when you mix powder and the rest together. Just take sure that you take very slowly the mix machine, not so, you know, up to. I think it's enough for at once. So I have already finished my powder here. So I start with nuts, which I mix together, and milk. This you should also make. You should also add every now and then. By the way, every now and then in German language is nach und nach. In this case, so nach und nach die Haselnüsse und die Mandeln mit Milch, ein bisschen Milch, ein bisschen milk. So much you have to take, you see it. Und nach und nach machen wir das zusammen, damit die Nüsse sehr gut zusammen mit Rest von dem Teig mischen. By the way, this you should also take the second level from your machine, or just very slowly, because it doesn't mix, but just come together. So you see, this is the mass. In German language we tell Teig. Also das ist ein Teig, das bei mir geworden ist. Und bei euch denke ich auch, muss dasselbe sein. And now I put it in the form, which I have already oiled. Das mache ich jetzt in diesem Form, das ich schon vorher mit Butter ein bisschen, also ich habe ein bisschen geölt. Und danach solltet ihr bei 180 Grad 60 Minuten backen. So you should bake it by 180 grad and 60 minutes. So my baking stove is already warm enough. You have take this one for baking. Unter Oberhitze in German language. So I take this also, because at the beginning I take this one to make my oven really fast warm. It's for energy is good, and then you can just put your cake in your baking stove. So in German language I would tell, ich schieb den Kuchen in den Backofen und gehe ein bisschen entspannen. So I would put this cake in baking oven and I go to have my rest. So I'm cutting for you a piece that you see how it is. And now this. So thank you for watching and have a nice day today. Goodbye.